In today's Fly High series, that's finance, leadership, and your high performance series, I'm going to tell you some interesting stories, reveal to you the difference between a coach and a mentor, speak about high performance, and also tell you how you can get to the next level of performance to be the high performer that you want to. So let's get started with the first story. She was born in Hyderabad to national level volleyball players. Her elder sister is a national level handball player. Although her family was into sports, she initially wanted to pursue medicine. However, she was inspired by watching the success of the player in the game of badminton and went on to become the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. None other than PV Sindhu, who was awestruck seeing her coach's performance that she chose to play badminton. Sindhu's coach, like we know, is Pulela Gopichand. And Sindhu has been coached by him for over 12 years and continues to train with him. Now you're probably wondering whether you need to aspire to get an Olympic medal to be a high performer. Maybe you have also assumed that Gopichand was her coach because he was an exceptional badminton player himself. What if I were to break this myth? Listen to the second anecdote, which is about Anant. Anant, an engineer by profession and passionate about music. He was not only a talented singer, but also had the unique ability to create percussion sounds from within. However, despite having this unique talent, he lacked motivation, kept procrastinating, and was not taking any steps to showcase his talents. Although he had a percussion teacher, he was irregular in his classes, was giving excuses to himself, and not finding the time to practice and rehearse. He felt disturbed about the fact that he was not able to do much despite having this special talent. The main challenge he felt was he was unable to do much, as deep down he had the fear of failure. He thought he was not good enough and had low levels of self confidence, which came in his way of progress. Every time he wanted to break free from these thoughts, he was getting more caught up in them and was not progressing. It was then that he chanced upon a high performance coach and decided to seek help to better his situation. And do you know what happened? You thought he became an overnight success, right? No, not at all. While there are situations where you could get immediate solutions by getting coached, there are situations which could take longer. The pace of progress depends upon the circumstances, challenges, and capabilities of each individual. So, after about 8 months of getting coached, Anant transformed for the better. He ensured he attended his classes regularly, had the time to practice his lessons, and became a much happier and self confident person, pursuing his love of music along with his unique ability of performing an a cappella. He went on to perform at local concerts, winning the hearts of many. Anant has now moved not just up on a scale, but his improved level of performance and is a much happier individual. So, like you notice, it's not necessary to win medals to be a high performer. When you achieve your own set targets of growth, you are a high performer. Was Anand's coach a musician? No, not at all. So it's true that a coach need not be a domain expert. That's probably making you wonder who is a high performance coach and what a coach does. Well, a coach is not a teacher, not a mentor, not a counselor, not a consultant, and not necessarily a domain expert. A coach is one who partners with you, provokes your thoughts, inspires you to take action, allows you to reflect, and helps you get solutions to your challenges. A coach does not provide advice but facilitates your development and enhances your awareness. While in sports, the positive impact a good coach has on the success of an individual or the team is taken for granted because they enhance skills through structured plans and set focused goals. The fact is, the same applies to the executive world as well to speed up your progress. So, what is high performance? Achieving superior results by performing at a high standard as per set targets is what is high performance. Just to state it simply, creating the next higher version of yourself. What's required for high performance? Your desire to strive for the better and the keenness of your intent are important. In other words, exceeding your own expectations is high performance. You have an option to coach yourself or get an external coach. If you'd like to start off by being your own coach, you can read the book Get High, which talks about how to coach yourself for high performance. It has tools and techniques to coach yourself and get to the next level of your performance. However, if you're considering working with an external coach who can lead you to high performance, are you thinking on what basis you should select a coach? Let me tell you how. Choosing the right coach is rather simple. Just ask yourself these simple questions. Do you think you can establish chemistry with your prospective coach? Do you feel comfortable and at ease to talk to the person you're considering as your coach? What's your gut feel telling you about your prospective coach and how they can help you with your challenges? You can further check if the person is a credentialed coach, what is their coaching experience, and seek testimony from their clients. High performance coaching is a beautiful journey and not a destination. Did you know people like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Larry Page, Oprah Winfrey, and others worked with a coach? Just like how all sports professionals have a coach to get better, everyone requires a coach to develop and bring out their best. No wonder it said everyone needs a coach. That's because a coach can help you fast track your progress. Coach can challenge you. Coach can be your accountability partner, kindle your thoughts, and coach also lets you to reflect, thus enabling you to take the desired action and get your desired results. The aspiration to achieve, combined with the awareness of possibilities, can change everything. If the person's getting coached aspire to get to the higher levels of performance, a coach can create the required magic. A coach does not judge you and also considers your future potential. Let me share an interesting tidbit here. Do you know how the word coach came into existence? It originated from the word coach, a mode of transport which is meant to take you from where you are to where you want to be. And that's precisely what a coach does. Helps you to get to the next higher level of performance that you want. I would recommend you to try both self-coaching as well as working with a coach, an external coach, to see what works well for you. By working with an external coach, you get better clarity, different perspectives, and perceptions beyond what you think. The coach also holds the mirror for you and allows you to see your own shortcomings, blind spots, or flaws. I invite you to discover and experience high performance coaching, which will lead you towards better clarity, empower you, provide you with superior results, and lead you to high performance. What are you waiting for? When are you getting started? Wishing you the very best of high performance.